We're secure on this side. Get the binders. Look at the rust on the A-pillar. It's extensive.
And the engine bay is completely seized. We have our work cut out for us.
All right, let's get it unloaded and start the assessment.
Look at this corrosion on the frame.
It's worse than we thought. That Aventador might be totaled.
That should be the last one.
Watch the wiring harness.
Okay, clear. Let's get this on the rack.
The sequence calls for 40 Newton meters plus 90 degrees.
Verified on the tablet. Send it.